Up Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again I'm talking about the Anchor coin. You know what, this is the warning news for all Anchor holders, my friends. My friends, today a lot of people ask me questions about Anchor coin, that Anchor coin is a good investment or not, my friends. We should have to invest in Ankr coin or not. So in this video I will answer your questions. Keep watch, and remember, my friends, remember, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. It is time. The latest price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.080279 USD dollar is the latest price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Ankr coin, so you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Ankr coin is going negative, completely falls down occur in the Ankr coin. So that is why I really I warn all of you, my friends. This is the warning video. I also told you in the start of this video that this is the warning for all people, those people who want to invest in Ankr coin. Now the currently situation of the Ankr coin is very bad, and you know what, from the previous last 1 week the whole cryptocurrencies market is very badly falls down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, Bitcoin, a lot of fastest cryptocurrencies price is negative in these days. So now the Ankr coin price also negative, my friends. My personal recommendation for all of you is that now it is a bad time of Ankr coin. So please don't invest in this time, my friends, because we can't see about the future, and the prediction is going negative in the future. So don't invest in this time in an Ankr coin, and invest after a few days. After a few days, invest in an Ankr coin. Maybe after a few days they start pumping, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.